Greater Lagos, UPG Lagos 2019, an initiative of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, took a new dimension recently as the residents of Mushin area of Lagos State joined the United People Global Community Conversation on Health and Environment appealed to the state government to urgently provide primary health care centers in all the 4 wards. The residents who were part of the community conversation on Lagos health care and environment unanimously sent a Save Our Soul request to government to heed to their urgent needs that can make the state health sector better. Speaking at the event, Dr. Funke Bolujoko, who is UPG Advisory Board member, explained that the conversation was part of the Lagos State government initiative to seek the residents' opinion on their health care and environment on their parts. The youth representative in the area, Engineer Musa Yunusa Danjag, and Mrs. Aboaba, a UPG Advisory Board member, wants the government's intervention in the provision of primary health care and to equally assist the community in ensuring a cleaner environment.
To have a comprehensive health care services, we need the primary health care to be functional, that goes into district institution and that goes into secondary institutions and the tertiary institutions. We need that to function. They also talked about the attitude of the health workers, that quite a lot of the health workers really do not respect them, do not respect the people. They are treated shabbily. It shouldn't really be. And this whole issue of payment as well. But key amongst them is the role of environmental health, how it brings about various diseases, that the gutters are not evacuated because of the lack of environmental sanitation, which they actually advocated to be reinstated, that people no longer clear their drains.
We lack health awareness in the community entirely. Secondly, the environment entirely is a flooded community. We lack good roads, good drainage, which when we talk about flood entirely, is actually affecting the health community entirely.
We need primary health center. It's very important for us. We need it urgently, right now. Cleaning of the drainage is very important for us also too. We need it. The environment pollution, which is happening by there, we don't want it. We want it to clear. We want them to clear it for us.
They are not happy of the environment, and we have said to them it's a competition between the government and the people. Who is the winner? We don't know. There's no winner in this case because we are both guilty. The government is not doing enough, and the people too are not doing enough to help themselves. And also, when we talk about health, they have said to us basically, there is not enough for the primary. We don't all have to go to the teaching hospitals. We need to go to the first port of call, which is the primary health, and say, this is what my child has. And then somebody brought up the idea of education. We need to educate the children even from the youth and their mothers.
And still on environment matters.